RuleeDollz, it's your girl Ruriko here, and today, darlings, we're back here in our video. Oh my god, if you're not subscribed, you're still here. We go. Thank you so much. It's greatly appreciated. I love you. First time seeing you, girl, seeing my face. Oh my god, where have you been? Welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell because you won't be disappointed in the content I bring to you. I promise. So, without further ado, guys, you ain't seen my face in like so long. I know it's been a minute. It's been more than a minute, actually. I've just had to take a break. I had to reevaluate what I wanted to do, if I wanted to still do YouTube, if I wanted to still do Instagram, and I still wanted to do all these things. So many things happened in my life that I was just like, I need a break from my mental health, and believe me, it was so needed. It's not something I regret doing at all. It's something that I needed to do. So in the meantime, when I was away, I ended up getting my office. As you can see, I really outdid myself, and my husband helped me put everything up, and it's just been an amazing experience to know that I was working towards something and to see it all come together. It was just nice to know that I was working towards something, and I was so MIA on social media, except for obviously when the movement happened. I came straight back because it was so important. Black lives do matter, and we need to make sure that everybody in the world knows that and actually acts upon that. I came back heavily during that time, and that kind of helped me to get back into the community and see what everybody else is on. It's just the support in the community has been a little bit weird. A lot of drama has gone in the community. To see it unfold and to see, you know, some of your favorites just destroy their own career, it has been a roller coaster. And then seeing how much backlash people were getting for either one, still supporting, or two, still using product, it has been weird to witness that. I have to say it wasn't pleasant, because you know, a lot of these people that are getting dragged through the mud, through the coals, are my, you know, my mutuals, and it's just been a roller coaster. And to be honest, I've never spoken about drama on this channel, and I'm not going to, in a sense of a whole video over it. I'm just letting you know the events which you probably already know that's been going on in the beauty community. My channel has always been bubbly, happy, laughter, and I really want to keep it that way. So we're gonna do a blue and black look. There's something really fun going on in the community at the moment, a competition, and the first part of the competition is doing a blue and black look. So today, that is what I'm gonna bring to you guys. Let's get into this video. For the products I'm going to be using in this video, first of all, I'm going to be using this color board by Glazed. They have been on my channel so many times. As you can see, I'll put the thumbnails around here somewhere, sweetie, but I thought this was really fun. It has, as you can see, a multitude of palettes in here. So we have the green palette, which is absolutely stunning. Then when you just slide it down, we then have the orange palette, which is just stunning. And then we move on to the blue, which we are going to be using today in this video. And then we have the beautiful purples, which is obviously my favorite color, as you guys already know. We will be using this on my channel real soon. So we're going to be using the blue in this palette. I absolutely love Glazed because they're so affordable. They do dupes, so if you're anti-dupes in the community, because a lot of things went on a couple of months ago, how, you know, people are duping and blah blah blah, but they've always duped from the get-go. They're literally affordable brand that do dupes, and believe me, no offense to anybody that's obviously had their company and are the original, but a lot of their dupes are better than the original because their formula is really pigmented and just what you need. If we put in beauty glaze in the YouTube world, you'll see so many influencers use their palettes and literally rave about them because their palettes are so cheap and affordable, and not only that, you're getting quality. So we're going to be using that today. And then for the black, we are going to go into this Revolution Integrity Wild Animal palette. I haven't used this palette before, but I thought it was absolutely gorgeous. Look at the gorgeous colors in this, guys, right? Hello. I'm going to be using the black in this palette for this look. And while I am doing it, I might do a little talking, you know, because I haven't put makeup on my face, guys, for months. Literally, we've had Miss Corona doing her thing. She's still doing her thing, unfortunately. So many people have literally lost their life. So many ignorant people are just not wearing masks, and if you're one of them, please unsubscribe because you have to wear your mask, guys. It's not even a joke. People are like, the mask is not gonna save me. okay, but it saves other people. No one's saying that a mask is meant for you, it's meant for the other person. Because as I'm speaking now, I'm sure particles of my saliva is flying up into the atmosphere, and if somebody was in front of me, I'd be blah, 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 you know, spitting in their face and stuff. So if I wore a mask, it will stop that from happening. So cover your face, cover your nose, be safe, only go out when you need to, you know, all the other good things that you need to be doing, because I don't know, people be wilding out here. I haven't used makeup in months, because if you are new here, you won't know that I've got 5 beautiful children and they keep me busy. So when this whole Miss Rona came around, we literally had to quarantine. I just haven't had the time, and plus I took a break and I was on new medication, which is all for another video. So a lot was going on at the same time, so it didn't put me in a really good space to create. My makeup might not even match me right now, but we're going to get into it. I'm gonna try my best to use a lighter shade of foundation. So first things first, we're going to do my brows. Try and tame this beast, sweetie. We're gonna be using soap brows. Sorry about my nails, they're not done. I'm literally going to do them after this video. I kind of should have done it before this video, but because I haven't had nails either for so long and mine have grown out, I didn't want to, you know when you get nails for the first time in a long time, it gets awkward, and I wanted to be able to just do what I want to do in this video without it being awkward. So we're going to put some water, then take a clean spoolie and try and tame these brows, honey. That's done. They're not the perfect brows, but they will do. I'm going to now dip into the Colourboard palette by Beauty Glaze. I'm going to be using the Morphe M152 brush to pack on this beautiful dark blue right here. Yes. Then I'm going to go into this light blue to smoke it out. Going into the Revolution palette, I'm going to be using this black. Look, I'm going to finish the other eye off camera and then I'm going to come back. For the middle, I went in with this beautiful pigment from Mannerisms. It's called Sapphire. Now that's done, I'm going to go do my base, because I want this to be a nice, simple, quick video. Me obviously first coming back, and I don't want it to be too strung out. So I'm going to do my base and then I'll come back. Now that's done, I've done my base as well. So let's finish this eye look. We started off with the Beauty Glaze palette, but we did only use the black from this palette, so I'm thinking of using this beautiful blue to smoke out the under eye. What do you think? Let's get into that. So I'm going to be using the Morphe M152 brush just to pack on some of that pigment, sweetie, and let's smoke out the under eye. Then I'm going to be using my Morphe black pen, it's called Dark Room, just to line my waterline. So in this little competition that we're doing, we have to only use black and blue on the lips and only black and blue on the eyes, sweetie. This is why it's like this. I'm going to pop on some lashes right now, and then we're going to move on to these lips. Now that's done and these beautiful lashes are laid to perfection, we are now going to move on to these lips, sweetie. So for this, we are going to use the Mannerism pigment in Sapphire, and we're also going to use the Fenty Beauty Stunner Lip Paint in Uninvited. We're going to use those two for the lips, and then this look, sweetie, will be done. Dry before we put any pigment on it. The pigment is so beautiful, so creamy, so buttery. I love saying it on this channel. So creamy, so buttery, because they are. Like, when they're so creamy and so buttery, I'm gonna tell you they're so creamy. So this lip is a look, it's a whole vibe. I love the Fenty Beauty lip stunner. The only thing I don't like about it though, I do love it, obviously I like it a lot. It dries down very quickly, but what I don't like about it is that it's very runny. It's not goopy, so I'm guessing it's because of the way that they've put it in this little bottle. Why it would have to be a little bit more loose, you know, and not too thick. Apart from that, it's stunning. Ooh, she cute. So now that's dry, no, it's not dry. So now that's dry this time. I don't know if you can see that. Can you zoom in on that? Look how blue and beautiful that is. All of that is pigment, by the way. It's just stunning. So we're just gonna get that on the lips, sweetie. Ooh, sweetie. This lip is stunning. I love to put a little bit of gloss over it so the lip ain't too dry. So we're going to be using a Wet n Wild lip gloss. These are some real old school lip glosses. I don't even think they do this anymore. So if you're gonna look for them, I'm so sorry. But they're like literally one of my favorites, and I hunted them down to get some fresh ones, and they're really hard to get. You see what I mean? The gloss just gets it together. It really does. And that's the final look, guys. Oh my god, I had so much fun doing this look. I'm so happy to be back, guys. I'm so happy to be back and doing content for you and just being myself, you know. There's gonna be one other video where I go a little bit more in detail about what's been going on, but literally just like a 5-minute video, because I just want to get back to makeup. I literally just want to get back to makeup. I want to get back into the community the right way. I want to bring some light and love back into the community. I know I'm just one person, but I got so many mutuals that do the same thing. We are not toxic. We just love makeup regardless of what it is. We just like to create. And I hope you guys have stuck around to the end, enjoyed this look that I've done for you guys today. Sorry it's not my normal look where there's so much detail and so much stuff, but I just wanted to quickly just come back and enjoy just sitting here and filming in my new like space and just saying to you guys that you are going to see much more of my face. Okay, so without further ado, guys, I hope you guys had a wonderful time sticking with me, because I literally enjoyed myself. So your girl Ruriko here. Just know that you're loved and you're all that anybody needs, my darling, and I'll catch you. Yes, you, the one that came to the end of my video, my honey bunny, my sweetie, my everything. I'll catch you, my sweetie, on another video. Yeah.